ServiceNow provides users with an option to add attachments to records. Here I've created just a test incident to show how to do this. And so as you can see, I can add attachments, but when I am on the list view here, there's no way to tell. You can't see whether or not a record has attachments. So I'd like to just go over how to add an attachment icon over on the left to say that a record has an attachment and then to tell us how many attachments it has. So to start, we need to go to the table, and I mean, you can do this for any table. I'm going to do it for the incident table for the sake of this video, but we're just going to open up the table, and we need to create a new field here. And the field that we're going to create is an attachments field. So we want it to be an integer because it's going to be the count, the number of attachments, and give it a name. And then this should autofill. And then we want to set the value, the default value, to 0. And we'll go ahead and submit that. Okay, so we'll update that. And then now that we have a new field, we're going to want to come back to our incident list, and we're going to add it to the layout. So, oh, it already added for us. That's awesome. Okay, so as you can see, all of these say 0 right now because that's our default value. We have nothing to count it with. So we're going to create a business rule that counts it for us, but first we're going to create a field style for the attachments, just so that it is presented a little better. So we're going to go over to the navigator, and under System UI, we're going to find field styles. We're going to create a new one here. And we're going to set it for the incident table and the attachments field. And then we're going to give it a value here of current view attachments is greater than 0, which is just saying that this style won't apply unless there is more than one attachment. And then we're just going to set some styles here. So I pulled that image, the URL, from ServiceNow's image picker page. Okay, that should be good. Hopefully I didn't make any typos. Alright, perfect. So now that we have our icon, our attachment icon, we're going to create a business rule that'll execute it. Okay. Oh, wrong one. Okay, we're going to create a new one here. And we'll just name it attachment counter. And instead of the incident table, we're going to put it on the attachments table. And we want to click advanced with the script. Okay, so we want it to run after an attachment is inserted or deleted from the record. And then right here, we're going to choose our table name. So our table name is incident. And then we're going to come over to advanced here, and we have this script. And I am just going to copy and paste it really quick. Okay, we'll submit it. Okay, so now we have our business rule, our attachment counter, and if we go back over to the incident table, and if we look over on the left side, here we'll see the attachments. Here, I'll click all so that we can see all of them. You see this little paperclip icon with one attachment on it. So that's what your records will look like when you add or delete attachments from here on out.